Hello everyone! Welcome back to Bree's Practical English. I'm Bree and today I'm going to teach you the difference between been and being. But first, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you subscribe and turn on notifications, you will know when the newest lesson is uploaded. Remember everyone, stay to the end of this video to get your homework. You can write the answers to your homework in the comments below. Okay, let's start the lesson. I was asked on my Facebook page by a student, what is the difference between been and being? They're very similar, aren't they? By the way, if you have a question or would like me to make a video on a certain topic, you can comment it down below, or you can join my Facebook page and ask a question there. I read all of my comments, so I'll be sure to see yours. Okay, so a student asked me on Facebook, what is the difference between being and been? So let's look at what being and been are. What are they? Well, they are both participles. They are both participles of to be. Let's look at being first. Being is the present participle of to be. This means we can use being with any form of be. So this includes am, is, was, and were. When we use being, we use it to mean that something is continuing or ongoing. Not finished yet. I'll give you some examples. The child is being bullied. The child is being bullied. This means that the action of bullying is continuing. It's ongoing. It's still happening. The child is being bullied. Okay, let's look at another example. She is being nosy. She is being nosy. It means that she is continuing to be nosy. She is maybe asking people about their private business. She is being nosy right now, still continuing to be nosy. Okay? Being can also be used as a gerund. If you don't know what a gerund is, it's when a verb acts like a noun. I'll give you an example. He loves being a police officer. He loves being a police officer. So being as a gerund means existing as something. It's a little bit strange to say he loves existing as a police officer, but that is what it means. Instead of saying existing, we say being. He loves being a police officer. Another example. Stop being so clumsy. Stop being so clumsy. In this case, stop existing as a clumsy person. Stop existing as a clumsy person. So again, saying existing here is a little bit strange. Stop being so clumsy. This is more natural. Do you think you have being mastered now? It is a present participle of to be. It is used with all forms of be. Am, is, was, were. Okay? It means something is continuing, ongoing, not yet finished. Or it can mean existing, as in a gerund. He loves being a police officer. Now let's look at been. Like I said before, been is a participle of to be, but it is a past participle of to be. So when we use been, we want to talk about something that's already finished, done. With been, we use it with all forms of have. This includes has, had, will have, and having. Let me give you an example. Let's look at our last two examples, but change them to been. The child has been bullied. The child has been bullied. The bullying has stopped. It's finished. But the child has been bullied in the past. The child has this experience. She has been nosy. She has been nosy. She has been nosy before. The main difference between been and being is what they follow. Been always follows a form of have. I have been to Paris. She has been to Paris. However, being never follows have. We can't say, I have been to Paris. This is incorrect. So if you remember these two key points, you'll be able to remember the difference between been and being a lot more easily. Okay, I'm going to give you a short quiz. I'll ask a question and you can decide if you should use been or being. Okay, let's try. The first question is, he is hospitalized. He is hospitalized. Should we say he is being hospitalized or he is been hospitalized? Okay, do you have your answer? The correct answer is being. Because we are using is, not has. He is being hospitalized. Now he is being hospitalized. Let's try another one. I have working all day. I have working all day. Do you use being or been? Okay, the correct answer is been. I have been working all day. Remember, been always follows have. Being can never follow have. I'll give you one more question. He loves single. He loves single. What do you think? Being or been? All right, the correct answer is being. He loves being single. Being here is a gerund. Remember, being can also be used as a gerund. He loves existing as a single person. He loves being single. How did you do on that short quiz? I hope you got all of the answers right. If you didn't, don't worry. I have some homework questions for you. You can answer them in the comments down below and I'll check them for you. The answers to the homework questions will be in the description box. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you now know the difference between been and being. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you'd like, you can like my Facebook page where I can answer some more of your questions. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye!